you gonna drive this truck now?
Yeah.
Tied up and he can't go anywhere. Eric's wheel things have already come off. We don't know what to do. We're just out of Palm Springs.
Hey, what's up everybody, TKB. We are in Indio, California off the I-10 freeway. The #1 sandwich is the Trump card, not named after the president, just ironic, 12 years ago. It's the #1 sandwich in California on Travel and Leisure magazine.
Now we have to take a moment so the bearded dragon can poop.
It's not that hot.
We stopped to fill the cat box. We stopped to let the lizard take a shit in the middle of the desert. We are making the greatest time we should be at Arizona. We're in Desert Center, California. The scenery has changed so radically.
How you feeling tired-wise?
I'm good.
Really?
Yeah. Did it come off again?
Over to that side.
I haven't seen a tree in 10 hours.
It's much
Oh
for
my
you.
God. Trees, I'm so happy. We are on our way to Las Cruces. I
Think
can't
of that
remember.
crosses.
Oh, now we are nearing New Mexico, about to leave Arizona. I don't want to talk crap, but I've never met more rude drivers, aggressive drivers, people who honk and are mean. And there was a hotel we decided to stay at, and they said it was full because it was all full of COVID patients.
And then we had to leave.
We had to leave immediately. So then we went to another hotel, which was the Seagull Hotel, and it was all like crack and meth heads. It was scary. We could not get out of Tucson quick enough. No guns allowed. Okay. It was creepy. I was afraid we would get eaten by zombies in the middle of the night. That's how. We're looking through the bug-infested window, but dust storm, pull off road, stay buckled, feet off brakes. Okay, apparently there's a lot of dust storms out here.
baby. Hello, sweetheart.
What do you want
I'll
to
have
eat?
them dinosaur egg bites.